Welcome to Go Lesson 5, User Input. In this lesson, you will learn how to read input from users. We will cover scan, bufio, command line arguments, and strconv. Let us start with basic input using scan. We declare a string variable and use print to show a prompt. Scan nest os.Stdin reads input until a new line. Notice the ampersand. We can also read multiple values at once. Now let us read full lines using bufio. We create a buffered reader from standard input. ReadString reads until it finds the delimiter. Scanner reads lines cleanly, without the new line character. Command line arguments are accessed through os.Args. Index 0 is the program name. Index 1 is the first argument. We loop through all arguments with range. Command line arguments are useful for scripts and tools. The strconv package converts strings to other types. Atoi converts a string to an integer and returns an error if it fails. ParseFloat and ParseBool handle floats and booleans. Atoi converts an integer back to a string. Let us recap what we learned. Use scan for simple input. Pass the address with ampersand. Use bufio for full lines. Use os.Args for command line input. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we will explore control flow. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.